Good morning. My name is Syed Akbar Ali Salman from ISL Engineering College, Branch Triple E, and the today's topic is principle and construction of different relays. Here, electromagnetic induction relays use the principle of the induction motor, where torque is developed by induction in a rotor. This operating principle applies only to relays actuated by alternating current and called induction type relays. They are not usable with DC quantities because of their principle of operation. Here, directional overcurrent relay. This is also a special type of overcurrent relay with the directional features. This directional overcurrent relay employs the principle of actuations of the relay. When the fault current flows into the relay in a particular direction, if the power flow is and the fault current flow into the relay in a particular direction, the conventional overcurrent relay, non-directional, which is known as, will act for fault current in any direction. As we can see in this diagrams, station is in center and the left side is x-axis and the right side is y-axis. Direction of relay is on right axis. Consider a feeder XY passing through station A. The circuit breaker is feeder AY is provided with a directional relay R, which will trip the breaker CB if the fault power flow is in the direction AY alone. Therefore, for fault in feeder AX, the circuit breaker CBY trips. Process of current relays. Current flow through the relay coil, creating a magnetic field. The field attracts the switch lever and enables it to change position. Voltage switches typically offer two positions based on whether the coil current is on or off. Voltage relay can be over voltage relay, under voltage relay, or a combination. This is the sample of current relay which I have shown you in this diagram. Now the next relay is over voltage relay. An over voltage relay operates when the current produced by a load or device connected to the output of a circuit exceeds a predetermined value. The over voltage relay connects to a transformer or device that transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another. The relay is calibrated to operate at or over a pressed voltage level. When the relay is switched on, one or multiple contact trip or open a circuit breaker. How the voltage relay works, we see here. A relay refers to an electrically operated switch or component used to break or interrupt a circuit. Voltage relay run based on a preset level of voltage, and this is the sample of voltage relay which is used to transfer the current from one place to another place. Depending upon time of operation, there are various type of overcurrent relays such as instant instantaneous overcurrent relay, definite time overcurrent relay, inverse time overcurrent relay. These are the various types of current relays. Now, directional relay. A directional relay uses an additional polarizing source of voltage or current to determine the direction of a fault Directional elements respond to the phase shift between a polarizing quantity and an operator quantity. Universal relay torque equation. The universal torque equation explains the working of an electrical relay. The relay has some arrangements of electromagnetic. This electromagnetic consists current and voltage winding. The current through the winding produces magnetic flux, and the torque is produced by the interaction of the flux of the same winding or between the flux of both the winding. Here we see an example where K1, K2, K3 are the tap setting or constant of voltage and current. The K4 is the mechanical restraint due to spring or gravity. The operating characteristic of all type of relays is obtained by adding and subtracting all the other constants and letting other two be zero, or by adding other similar terms. Here is the torque developed by current winding is K1 I square. Torque developed by voltage winding is K1 V square. If both the current and voltage winding are used, the torque developed by the interaction between the fluxes is given by the equation K3 Vi cos theta minus tau, where theta is the angle between V and I. V refers to voltage, V refers to voltage and I refers to current, and the T refers to torque. Is the relay maximum torque angle. If the relay has current, voltage and the torque angle, the torque will be developed and it will be given as T is equals to K1 I square plus K2 V square plus K3 Vi cos theta minus torque plus K4. Now here is the samples of universal relays, which is basically used in common ways. The ultimate goal for a universal relay for both a technology and economic standpoint is a unified, modular substation solution that can be networked and seamlessly integrated with existing hardware and or software regardless of the window or communications network. Thank you very much.